Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Ati Fikri, kelas 12 teknik kendaraan ringan, attendance number 8. How to change engine oil on a car. Definition: car engine oil is one of the fluid in the engine room, which function to provide lubrication to minimize friction between components. When the engine is started, oil will be immediately circulated to all engine components by the oil pump component. Not oil changes are usually carried out in accordance with the workshop recommendation, namely 10,000 km, 15,000 km, 30,000 km, 50,000 km, and so on. However, the fact that car engine oil change and periodic servicing cannot make valid a reference. Tool and material. 1. Engine oil. 2. Keyring 14. 3. Jack. 4. Jack stand. 5. Funnel. 6. Wasclute. 7. Dry. 8. Close. The correct order of engine oil change in the car. 1. Check on the car chassis. 2. Install 2 jack stand on the vehicle chassis. 3. Open the hood. 4. Open the engine oil filling plastic. 5. Prepare a tray just below the engine oil drain. 6. Control the bolt and remove the bleach blood. 7. Tighten the engine oil drain bolt. 8. Prepare a funnel for filling engine oil. 9. Fill the oil according to the start of the car. 10. Close the plastic engine oil filler. 11. Don't forget to clean the engine oil line and fill the engine oil with a cloth. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.